Peanut butter burger. Not just any peanut butter burger. This is a peanut butter and bacon smash burger. Let's get cooking. Take 1 pound of ground beef. I usually use an 80-20 ground chuck, 80% lean, 20% fat, and then I portion this off to 4 ounces per burger. Split open your hamburger buns and brush them with some melted butter. I like to use unsalted butter. Make sure you coat them all. Take some of your favorite peanut butter and add some oil, and we're looking to thin this. What we're looking for here is the same consistency as tomato ketchup. Just look how creamy that looks. So it's going to spread well on the bun. Toast your buns first for a couple of minutes, get a nice colour, and that really does add flavour. Now add 1 portion of the meat to the pan, and I like to use wax paper and the back of a spatula to squeeze these down. Let them cook for at least a minute. Season with some salt and pepper. Turn these over. Now it's piping hot, that cast iron skillet, but look at that, nice and crisp, and the Maillard reaction. Smear the bun with some peanut butter. Add that smash burger, a couple of pieces of crisp bacon, and top it off with the other side of the bun. Let's take a bite. The combination of the meatiness from the beef, the smokiness from the bacon, and then that creaminess from the peanut butter. It's salty, it's smoky. I like to serve this with a potato salad, pasta salad, or even just a tomato salad. Until next time, always remember, keep it simple. See you soon.